What's up, guys? Today we are going to be making some DIY fidgets. Let's get started. You're gonna need a small plastic bag, some scissors, some beads, whatever your choice of color, and some colorful tape. You're gonna start off by cutting the baggie about the size of a marble mesh. Once you're done cutting, you should end up with a pocket. Simply take your tape and seal one side and leave the other one open so the marble can go through. Like that. So now you have a little pocket open for the marble. Then take your bead and slide it into the pocket. Then once the bead's inside, tape up the pocket. Then once you're done with that, you can add tape to the excess sides just to make it look better. Then you've got your very own DIY marble mesh. You're gonna need some beads, baggie, this time it's a little bigger, and some clear Scotch tape. First, fill your baggie with beads. Then, take your beads and seal it shut. Just in case so the beads don't come out, tape it shut. And then once it's taped up, just roll it in and tape it to look like a beaded stress ball. And there you go. You got your own DIY beaded stress ball. You're gonna need cleaner, some beads, and some scissors. First, you're gonna take the pipe cleaner and cut it. And then you're gonna take one side and cover it in beads. And then once you have beaded it up, tie the ends together. Just to be extra super careful, tape them up. And there you have it. You got your own DIY bendy beads.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more DIY videos. Bye.